last week when Donna put the numbers together and stuff compared to last year, this same time, we are currently at 240,000 above last year. And that's within the last 3 months since we've been working together. Okay, so 240,000 increase from last year is where we're at right now. We are on track currently to hit 1.2 million for the year.
And how much of that 240,000 would you attribute directly to social media lead force? Is it all of it or some of it?
It's definitely some, but I would say about 65%.
So maybe 150,000, somewhere 160, 170,000, something like that. Awesome. I love that. I have conversations with people about cost and risk. People are spending money on social media out there for advertising, it's really different. Have you done Facebook advertising in the past?
We've done Facebook. Yeah. At the very beginning, when we first launched the business, that was one of the things that I had to try to see for myself, kind of thing. Even though everybody has kind of told me, like, no, don't waste your money on it. It doesn't work, kind of thing. And it's like, hey, you know what? I got to try it and just kind of see for myself. And yeah, sure enough, we did a couple of ads, nothing big. We didn't spend big money on it. But more than anything, I wanted to see if it would even direct any kind of traffic towards me. Of course, none of it worked. Okay.
Oh, really? It didn't work at all, or it worked very little, or?
Nope, didn't work at all.
Wow.
Yeah, we did ads. We did ads on Facebook and even Nextdoor, and nothing came out of it for us. Nothing came out of it for us. So it was kind of, yeah, okay, whatever, kind of thing. I mean, I wasn't drowning, or anything. I had old clientele that, hey, Marc, I'm their only plumber for life, and along with their entire families and all that stuff. I wasn't hurting, but I knew that I wanted to grow. I want to expand. I'm not going to be a one-man show for the rest of my life. And quite frankly, there's a hit list that I need to clear, kind of thing. We tried all that stuff. Marketing is one of the things that I kind of grind my teeth at. I really don't like it, especially when I see the huge dollar amounts that a lot of these other companies were spending a month just to get the call volume that they were getting when I was a technician for them. So my whole company is based off of word of mouth. Okay. That's the way I like to keep it. When I opened up this business, that was one of the things that I am still hell bent on making sure that my name is built off of word of mouth, based off of the quality and the service that we provide.